Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some really cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Commercial vehicles operating in densely populated urban areas often deal with high-risk conditions and demanding road environments, yet many lack modern safety warning systems. Now, a company in South Korea is working to change that. Radar solutions provider Bitsensing has launched an advanced driver assistance system specifically for commercial vehicle fleets. It's designed to be retrofitted into existing vehicles without the need to remodel their current platform. The approach involves radar units, 2-megapixel RGB wide-angle lens cameras, and AI software. This sensor fusion system features surround view monitoring to enhance a driver's situational awareness. The development team says it's a synchronized system that operates in real time. The Bitsensing created AI software enables safety monitoring and warning situations, including blind spot monitoring, rear collision warning, and front vehicle start alert. The new system is already in use, installed on several buses running in downtown Daegu, South Korea. The team says it's done well so far, with successes including a 24% reduction in pedestrian collision events. Ensuring maximum safety and effectiveness for medical, pharmaceutical, and food products and their packaging means adhering to strict compliance regulations. Inspection procedures have long been conducted manually, but that's time-consuming and can be prone to error. Now, a new approach is transforming the process. Shenzhen Jiangrun Xuneng Technology in China, which specializes in 2D and AI software frameworks for tasks like localization, identification, and measurement of objects in industries including medicine, food, and automotive, has developed a system that uses optical character recognition inspection, an automated machine vision process that reads, verifies, and analyzes text, numbers, and symbols on products, labels, and packaging. The platform features MV-Tech Halcon algorithms as well for pre- and post-processing of images of a designated region of interest and for the precise identification and localization of characters. It essentially facilitates the full automation of visually inspecting product labels on packaging. The Shenzhen Jiangrun Xuneng Technology team says their new system significantly shortens the inspection process, reduces development and maintenance costs, and improves efficiency. A new initiative is advancing the real-world intersection of camera robotics and AI, providing a practical path to automated video decision-making. PTZOptics, a Pennsylvania-based company specializing in camera robotics, cloud, and AI for broadcasting, sports production, and enterprise AV applications, has launched a visual reasoning program that will allow systems integrators and developers to build visual reasoning tools for the broadcast, pro AV, education, healthcare, and industrial sectors. The Visual Reasoning Initiative will also involve open-source vision language model developer Moondream, combining PTZ's controllable robotic camera systems and AI with Moondream's lightweight vision models that are designed for fast, accurate visual reasoning. Representatives of both companies say this collaboration will ultimately boost video workflows that can interpret what the camera sees. It can then transform those insights into real-time actions, including auto-tracking, smarter searching, automated indexing, and event-driven triggers. The new initiative aims to demonstrate how video can become a responsive part of everyday decision-making and operations, PTZ developers say, turning cameras into intelligent teammates and video into action. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.